practice test. These sample test questions are for the TEAS exam. You'll be given some time to answer each question. If you need more time, just pause the video. You can see hundreds of more free test questions at www.testguide.com/TEAS. Let's get started. Question 1. A survey company must contact 136 people via phone calls. How many buttons must be pushed to make the 136 long-distance calls? 816, 1224, 1360, 1632. Correct answer C. A long-distance number has 10 digits. For example, 1, 555, 800, 1234. So you'll need to press 136 times 10 equals 1360 buttons. Question 2. There are 453.59 grams per pound. An infant weighs 6,577 grams. What is the weight of the infant in pounds and ounces? 14 pounds 5 ounces, 14 pounds 6 ounces, 29 pounds 8 ounces, 14 pounds 8 ounces. Correct answer D. 6,577 grams divided by 453.59 grams per pound equals 14.5 pounds. There are 16 ounces per pound, so 0.5 pounds equals 8 ounces. Question 3. 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit is what temperature in Celsius? 119.88 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees Celsius, 72.55 degrees Celsius, 86.77 degrees Celsius. Correct answer B. To convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, you subtract 32 degrees and multiply by 5/9. So 98.6 minus 32 equals 66.6. 66.6 times 5/9 equals 37 degrees Celsius. Question 4. A nurse's shift in a military hospital is from 1400 to 2100. What time of day does the nurse work? 2 p.m. to 9 p.m., 10 p.m. to 3 a.m., 2 a.m. to 9 a.m., 1:40 p.m. to 2:10 a.m. Correct answer A. Military time is based on a 24-hour clock. To convert from military time to standard time, simply subtract 1200 from the time. 1400 minus 1200 is 2 p.m. Question 5. A patient on a clear diet consumes the following for the day: 2 pints of water, 1 8-ounce serving of clear soup, 1 8-ounce cup of coffee. A nurse reviewing his intake and output notes that his drainage bag shows 1,000 milliliters for the past day. What is his deficit in milliliters? 400 milliliters, 40 milliliters, 440 milliliters, 560 milliliters. Correct answer C. The patient's total intake is calculated first by converting everything to ounces. 2 pints of water times 16 ounces per pint equals 32 ounces. 32 ounces of water plus 8 ounces of coffee plus 8 ounces of soup equals 48 ounces. To convert ounces to milliliters, simply multiply by 30 ounces per milliliter. 48 ounces times 30 ounces per milliliter equals 1440 milliliters. Therefore, the deficit in milliliters is 1440 minus 1000 equals 440 milliliters. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and let us know your comments and questions below. Question 6. A sample contains 2/3 of an ounce of liquid. How many milliliters is this? 30 milliliters, 20 milliliters, 10 milliliters, 15 milliliters. Correct answer B. To convert ounces to milliliters, multiply by 30 ounces per milliliter. 2/3 times 30 equals 60 divided by 3, which equals 20 milliliters. Question 7. How many meters in a kilometer? 10, 100, 1000, 2.2. Correct answer C. Kilo means 1000, thus there are 1000 meters in a kilometer. Question 8. How many grams are in a kilogram? 1000, 100, 2000, 16. Correct answer A. Kilo means 1000, thus there are 1000 grams in a kilogram. Question 9. 10 kilograms is equivalent to how many pounds? 2.2, 22, 160, 4.54. Correct answer B. To convert kilograms to pounds, multiply by 2.2 pounds per kilogram. 10 times 2.2 equals 22. Question 10. Instructions require you to dilute a powder in 3 quarts of water. You only have a container that is marked in liters. How many liters would you use to dilute the powder? 5.76 liters, 1.44 liters, 0.96 liters, 2.88 liters. Correct answer D. 1 quart equals 32 ounces. Therefore, 3 quarts equals 96 ounces. There are 30 milliliters per ounce, so 96 ounces equals 2,880 milliliters. There are 1,000 milliliters per liter, so 2,880 milliliters equals 2.88 liters. Question 11. How many milliliters are in 1 liter? 100, 30, 1,000, 3,000. Correct answer is C. Milli means 1,000th of a part. Therefore, there are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. Question 12. A man's waist measurement is 88.9 centimeters. What is his waist in inches? 35 inches, 40 inches, 225 inches, 22.5 inches. Correct answer A. To convert centimeters to inches, divide by 2.54. 88.9 divided by 2.54 equals 35 inches. Question 13. How many centimeters are in a meter? 10, 100, 1,000, 1 over 100. Correct answer B. Centi means 100. Thus there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Question 14. How many millimeters are in a centimeter? 10, 100, 1,000, 1 over 100. Correct answer A. There are 100 centimeters in a meter. There are 1,000 millimeters in a meter. Therefore, there are 1,000 divided by 100, which equals 10 millimeters in a centimeter. Question 15. 8 is to 32 as 9 is to n. What is n? 36, 27, 33, 45. Correct answer A. The best way to answer these types of questions is to convert to fractions and then cross multiply. First, convert to fractions. 8 over 32 equals 9 over n. Then cross multiply. 8 times n equals 9 times 32, or n equals 288 divided by 8, which equals 36. Question 16. How many centimeters are in a millimeter? 10, 100, 1000, 1 over 100. Correct answer D. There are 100 centimeters in a meter, and there are 1000 millimeters in a meter. Therefore, there are 100 divided by 1000, which equals 1 over 10 centimeters in a millimeter. Question 17. A car dealer offers many different brands of cars for sale. The average daily sales for the dealer are Honda, 2 models, sells 20 of each model per day. Toyota, 3 models, sells 15 of each model per day. Kia, 1 model, sells 7 each day. Ford, 4 models, sells 6 of each model per day. How many total cars are sold per day? 48, 29, 11.6, 116. Correct answer D. 2 Hondas times 20 cars equals 40. 3 Toyotas times 15 cars equals 45. 1 Kia times 7 cars equals 7. 4 Fords times 6 cars equals 24. 40 plus 45 plus 7 plus 24 equals 116 cars. Question 18. A patient is instructed by their doctor to cut back on diet soda by 25%. The patient currently drinks 4 12-ounce cans of diet soda per day. How many ounces of diet soda can the patient drink if he reduces his intake by 25%? 12 ounces, 24 ounces, 36 ounces, 40 ounces. Correct answer C. The patient currently consumes 48 ounces, 4 times 12 ounces. The patient has to give up 25% of 48 ounces, which equals 48 times 0.25 equals 12 ounces. Therefore, the patient can drink 48 minus 12 equals 36 ounces. Question 19. On an annual basis, a hospital delivers 1,820 babies. If 55% of the babies born are boys, how many girls were born in a year? 1,001, 819, 637, 1,183. Correct answer B. If 55% are boys, then 45% must be girls. 1,820 times 45% equals 819. Question 20. Solve this ratio and proportion problem. 0.7 is to 10 as n is to 100. What is n? 0.7, 7, 70, 700. Correct answer B. Solve as a fraction. 0.7 over 10 equals n over 100, which implies 0.7 times 100 equals n times 10. Therefore, n equals 0.7 times 100 divided by 10, which equals 0.7 times 10, which equals 7. Please go to www.testguide.com/teas for hundreds of more free practice test questions.